Is the TikTok Shop affiliate program dead? Well, in today's video, we have a special guest, Megan, and we're going to be breaking down her success story with the affiliate program to hopefully inspire some of you guys to realize the massive opportunity. So we are in her backyard. It's 10 a.m. How much have you done so far just today?
Let me check because it's probably gone up since I told you last. $417 in commissions.
$417. It's 10 a.m. She is a mom of two and her kids are amazing. And the fact that she's able to make $400 by 10 a.m. just blows my mind. Okay, so it's been one day since we filmed that video, and we just want to give you a quick update on what she did yesterday. And now it is 10 a.m. again. Let's see the results.
Okay, so yesterday I ended at $755 in commissions.
Let's go.
So nuts. And then today, 10 a.m. I'm at $211.
That's how you do it.
So
Amazing.
crazy.
Good work. So we're going to dive into your story, how you got started, how long have you been doing it? And so, yeah, let's just start from the very beginning. What got you into TikTok Shop affiliates and why did you start?
Well, I got into it because of you, and I was seeing your success and just like some of your other students' success. I'm like, I want to do this. I want to be the next success that Trevin has. So I got an account from you, or bought an account from you, I think November. It was around the holidays.
Yeah, I think it was December, and it was end of December-ish.
Yeah.
So it's been about 5 months.
Yes. And so I just started making videos I tried to find things around my house. I had a couple things that I had already purchased on TikTok. So I was just making like little videos here and there. And every month since then, some months I've even doubled my commission, but I've just been going up every single month since then.
So let me ask you this. Has it been super easy from day one? Did you just make your first video and all of a sudden you were making money right out the gate?
No, I think my first month, like total commissions was like $2. I think I texted you. I was like, I made $2.
And what's funny is so many people stress about that and they get into it. And after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, they're like, I've only done one commission or I haven't done anything. And the reality is it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. And I think also, and the second and next question that I want to ask you is, have you always been comfortable on camera? Do you still feel comfortable? Has that been something that was hard to kind of get over that fear? Because most people getting into it, the very beginning, it's like, it's so new and it can be uncomfortable at times.
Yes, that was like, honestly, that was the hardest thing. Like I felt so weird filming myself. I felt weird having like Ty film me. Like I was like, I can't do this. This is just, I'm thinking about this too much and it's so awkward. It would take me forever to edit a video, but I was just trying to post one a day. I'm like, okay, just one a day, baby steps. And eventually you just get like more used to, I don't know, just having more things to say. It gets less awkward. It's definitely, that was the hardest thing for probably like 2 months, honestly, because it's just awkward.
and that's just the reality. So when most people start, everyone has that same issue unless they came from a content creation background. And so when people are like, oh, my first 2 weeks or my first month or even my first 2 months, like I didn't do anything and it doesn't work. And it's because you don't have the skill set. You don't understand how to use your words and you feel uncomfortable. You don't know how to edit. You don't know how to do the things. Yeah. And the more that you do it, the more comfortable that you get. And so 100%. It's really cool to kind of see her journey starting from literally no content creation background whatsoever.
Like not even like posting on Instagram or Facebook.
Like zero.
Zero.
And so the first month, $2, I mean, hey, that's proof of concept. It works. But she didn't give up. She kept at it. And you've just doubled your commissions every single month. So this week, you were telling me you've basically been averaging like $150 to $300 a day.
Yes. Okay, so I just have this pulled up, my 7-day average. I've done about $200 a day. I've made $1,400 this week.
And that doesn't include today.
That doesn't include today, which is already over $400.
And it's 10 a.m.
It's
Guys,
so crazy.
That blows my mind.
It blows my mind.
Zero experience, a couple months in. And again, people are going to be like, oh, 5 months is a really long time. But what you don't realize is this business requires no upfront capital, no inventory, no advertising. All it requires is just time, your phone, and just making the videos. And then as you do more and more, you get better. And then you fine tune your craft. And then before you know it, you're making $200, $400 per day. So the affiliate program is an absolute game changer. I've seen it in my life. I've seen it in my sister, my brother. We have thousands of students. And if you guys are interested in kind of learning the process, I'll put a link in the description. We have a school group that takes you through the A to Z process. But I want to, before we wrap things up, I want to ask you, what would be your biggest tip that you could give a brand new TikTok affiliate when they're just starting out? What's something that you wish you would have known back 5 months ago?
Just that it's going to take a lot of time. And honestly, the one thing is just consistency. Like I'll sometimes post 3, 4, 5 videos a day, and those videos will never make any money. But I feel like it's just the consistency and staying in the habit and just like keeping the momentum going is what is going to
pay off in the long run.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Because obviously it's paid off for me.
Yeah.
And there's still some videos I make no money on, but
and that's how it is for me.
Yeah.
Like, what people don't realize, and I was talking to my brother earlier this morning, is if you show up and you just do the videos and you do the content, you're bound to see success.
Yeah.
And what happens is you get better. So in the beginning, she wasn't as good on camera. She wasn't as good with editing. She wasn't as efficient. She didn't know what to look for in a product. And now she's just gotten better, and now the results are following. And also, TikTok rewards consistency. If you're just uploading every other day or once today, and then you wait a week to post, like, TikTok doesn't want to reward creators that are not putting in the effort. And so consistency, to her point, is the most important part to the entire affiliate program. And if you can be consistent, you will succeed. So it just is so cool. So I want to ask one last question. Did you think that it was possible?
I knew it was possible because so many people have done it, but I was a little skeptical at the beginning. I'm like, this is not going to happen for me. Like, I have zero experience. Like, I hope it does. I'm just going to try, but it worked, and I'm super stoked I stuck with it, and it's actually really fun to do and feels a lot more natural, and I get all this free stuff, which is crazy. Like, I'm just getting packages delivered every day. So yeah, it's awesome, and it works.
It is so fun. And the reason I asked that question is because it was probably, I can't remember, maybe a couple months ago, you were a little discouraged.
Mm-hmm.
I felt like you were like, I don't know what's going on, because you were seeing results from me, from my sister. Our entire family does it. So it's kind of a competition here as well, which is good and bad, but it also motivates and inspires one of us to kind of see, like, oh, they're doing it, like, I want to do it. And that was actually what motivated me, is I actually got my sister into it, and I was doing pretty well with it. But then one month she did like some crazy amount, and she did like $10,000-$12,000 in commissions. And I was like, wait, you did that? And then it motivated me and pushed me to be like, you can't beat me. I was the one that taught you. How are you outperforming me? So the next month I just doubled down, and then I did, I think, like 39,000 in a month.
So crazy.
Just to basically prove that she can't beat me. So that's kind of how it works with our family. But she was discouraged, and everyone gets discouraged. That's just part of the process. So do not give up. Be consistent. Be disciplined. Post the videos. And if you guys need any help, we would love to help you. Again, we'll put the links in the description. But Megan, thank you so much. I love hearing this story, and it pumps me up. And show a lot of love in the comments down below. Subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next one.